Today is Thursday, April 29th, 2021. Started the bike ride at 7 minutes after 11. I'm riding the Canyon Endurace CF bike today. Probably going to be another breezy ride today. Temperature's 81 degrees. Wind is out of the southeast at 16 miles an hour. Just a hair breezy. Mostly overcast, or mostly cloudy. Sorry, mostly cloudy. Today's route, I'm going to go south. Go to Tascasita. Through Walden. And across Lake Houston. South on Fair Lake Lane. Hi. And take over the Tascasita Road. East all the way to Ramsey Road. Then I'll turn back to the west to FM 2100 and then go north to Huffman. Back west on 1960 through Tascasita again and then back into Kingwood. Probably 37 miles. Riding east on the Tascasita hike and bike trail. It's been a while since I've ridden, biked on the hike and bike trail. Notice a new bench and trash can back behind me. Wind is coming from my right front quarter. Approaching Ramsey Road at the stop sign. Have some wildflowers. And a wild boot. I'm going to turn to the left here and go down to the bridge and rest for a few minutes. I've been fighting a headwind all the way, almost all the way here. There's Ramsey Road, Old Tascasita Road.